Welcome to the series circuit construction using prototyping boards part 1 by Video TechHead Productions. There are two ways to describe how to build a circuit. You can have a pictorial diagram which shows the power source. Over here in our schematic diagram, which uses symbols, you see the power source also indicated here. You have devices that use energy, like resistors over here in this circuit you're going to be building later on. And you also have wires that interconnect these devices. Now, actually building a circuit like this would not be a very good way to test your designs. Most designs are tested on a prototyping board, and that's what we're going to use. You're also going to need your multimeter to measure quantities that you've been measuring now for over a year in the EET program, and you're going to need your toolkit that you've had since you've been here. The actual circuit devices we're going to use obviously are resistors, and we're going to use wire. And again, here's a schematic drawing of the circuit we're going to build. We're going to build it on this device here called a protoboard. Now, the protoboard, the connections are in groups of 5. If you want to connect two things together, two electronic devices together, they have to be put in the same group of 5. Now, I put these pictures up here. Obviously, there are components that can explode. If energy through them is exceeded, they can catch on fire. I doubt if you're going to obliviate a universe, but that was a picture I picked out to put on here. Think safety and try not to cause explosions near me, yourself, or your classmates. It's happened before, and I want you to be safe. Always wear your safety glasses. You have those on in case there is a component failure. Not only just an explosion and parts coming at you, but gases coming off some of these components can get in your eyes. Don't want you walking out of my room going to an ER room. Don't get frustrated. Not everything I build works the first time either. Get some help if you need it. That's why I'm there. Okay, again, here's the protoboard. And like I said earlier, you have groups of 5 on each side. And you have red and blue connections down the side for your energy source or your power. And this is a circuit that we're going to actually build. So I'm going to bring up my camera setup here. And as you can see, here is the energy source. Of course, I'm using a 9-volt battery, easiest thing to use. Here's our protoboard. Connected the energy source to the protoboard before we got over here so we could get started. Now I'm going to take these resistors. As you can see over here on the side, ours are connected to the other resistor, is connected to the other resistor, and there's one path for energy to flow. That's why they call this a series circuit. So I'm going to build this. One end, obviously this is the positive end and negative end. So one end goes into the red strip and then any group of 5 that you want to pick. The next one must be in the same group of 5 with that resistor, and then again pick another group of 5 that you want to use. The third resistor, same thing. You put it in the same group of 5 with the one end of the one resistor, and then pick another group of 5 to put the other end in. In our last resistor, because if you count, we have 4. There's 4 resistors, one there. Now we have to get the connection between the negative, which is the blue strip, and that last resistor, and that's where my wire came in. Okay, if you can see that really close, I'll bring it up a little bit closer for you. You can see we have a series circuit. Now, right now, I'm telling you, I have an energy source and I have 4 devices that basically use energy. And there's energy flowing through the circuit, but you really can't see that. So I'm going to use something here called a LED, a light emitting diode. Now, if there's really energy flowing through that circuit, if I put energy through this LED, it should light up. And you can see right now that it's not lit up at all. Okay, so I'm going to take the wire out and put the resistor in series, take the from the resistor, the last one, and plug it in and see what it did. See, now it's lit up. Pull this out, goes off. Okay, thank you.